So this course exists because many people have been taught how to think their way to out of distress. You can think your way out of distress. But no one taught us very well how to regulate the system that reacts before you're thinking. So many times your body reacts before you start to think. Even once your body gets triggered, the thinking brain goes offline. So my job today is to normalize and de-shame the activity of the nervous system that shut down, that fights, that flee. And many of us will blame it on personality weakness. It's not personality weakness. It's not character defect. It's the nervous system protecting you. So we're going to get started right now. By the way, you're going to get my full handout today. We're going to send it afterwards. And also, alongside with the handout is the workbook that we're going to be sending to you. The workbook takes you step by step into different little techniques, little exercises that you could do for yourself, you could teach other people. What is important is that leadership of the nervous system is what this course is all about. Your nervous system is a survival apparatus that's constantly needing leadership.